This evening, you can see it swirling right over my shoulder here, what's being called a superstorm tonight. And look at this picture tonight. This is from space, from NASA. It's a massive storm, 1,000 miles across. And long before it makes landfall sometime tomorrow night, it is already being felt tonight all along the coastline. Whipping winds and rains have already flooded many communities beyond the coastline. And the number of Americans impacted by this storm will be enormous. 60 million people, really anyone east of the Mississippi, will be affected. Hundreds of thousands have already been evacuated tonight. And this evening we've learned schools are already closed for 2 million children tomorrow across 7 states and Washington, D.C. As they all ask now, what about Halloween? And this tonight, the potential danger zone reaching 800 miles inland from the East Coast. Tonight, blizzard warnings have already gone up across some states. You can see our extreme weather team on all of this tonight. Sam Champion has the track in just a moment here, but let's begin with ABC's Matt Gutman, who's been pounded all day there off the coast of North Carolina. Matt.
Good evening, David, from a very wet, loud, and surprisingly cold North Carolina. We've been feeling these 60-mile-per-hour gusts of wind. For the past 24 hours, we've been feeling this relentless wind, rain, and I don't know if you can see the waves exploding onto the pier behind me. Now, a number of communities here in the Outer Banks have been cut off, like Cape Hatteras, because of flooded areas. And you may notice this white foam that's rising up right now. It kind of looks like snow, but this has all been churned up by that rising sea. Now, a lot of people consider hurricanes tropical systems, that they're warm. This is decidedly cold, and all this icy air is pushing northwards. David?
All right, taking a beating there in North Carolina. Matt Gutman, our thanks to you tonight.